Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening and good afternoon from wherever you are watching this video. So welcome once again to my YouTube channel Technical Babaji Hub. So I have come up with one of the most exciting and the currently in world, like the term that is booming in such a way that the people are getting scared and some people are utilizing it to boost their productivity. So I will be talking about AI, GenAI and all the impacts, business impacts and all those things in this video. So just be connected and you will be getting lots of information through this video. So let's get started. So AI, GenAI agents, we will be talking in our domain like SAP ERP and all those things, that how AI, GenAI and agents and other new technologies that are impacting the work, the way we are working, like from last 10 years to in like just in 1 or 2 years, the way of working has completely changed. So we'll be discussing about the overview, use cases and business impact in this video. So everyone knows, like everyone is using AI nowadays in their work while generating images, talking to LLMs, and lot of even 5 years or you can say 10 years of a child understand like what is AI and how to talk with them. So the world is moving in a direction where you don't need to go on search and go through different link to identify or to get one information, right? So I will be talking mostly the impact and all those things, the AI things in our SAP ERP, how the demands are booming and what are the impacts on that. So everyone knows that AI is like it will give kind of a data driven decision making and the automation of repetitive tasks. It can predict analytics and there are a lot of things that AI can do. In SAP ERP world, if you talk about, like if you can check the demand forecasting, like fraud detection or intelligence automation and lot of other things, that in SAP the AI is getting impacted. Now let's talk about the generative AI, right? So generative AI, it's kind of everyone is using Chatgpt, like from OpenAI, Claude, Grok or Gemini, or there are other generative AI tools like Perplexity and other tools are in the market. So based on user liking, they are using their own LLM. Someone is using Claude, someone is using ChatGPT to get the information, to generate code, to generate image and all those steps. So I will not be explaining more in details about the generative AI. I will be mostly focus on like how it is getting, how the SAP jobs are getting impacted and how the people are boosting their productivity and all those things while working as a SAP ABAP consultant. So this I will just request everyone to be engaged with my channel and try to share as much as possible, because I will help people to get their next job very quickly. If you trust on me, like I will share all the insights and the current market trends, what the company's expectation, what the real-time question they are asking related to ABAP, HANA and all those stuff. So just go and subscribe my channel Technical Babaji Hub and you will be getting lots of help, especially the junior consultant. They will get a lot of help following my videos. You can follow the same name on Instagram, or there is a channel called SAP Enthusiast. You can follow that page as well. Okay, so let's get going. So in SAP, when the terms come as AI, so we know everyone, most of the consultant in the SAP world who are working, they know that Joule, SAP Joule and AI, that is the AI Copilot, that their in-house product like SAP Joule, that helps to generate code in ABAP, and there are smart documentation and chatbot supports are also available using the Joule. Now I will be talking a little bit about AI agents. So after LLM, there is a new technology changes and the agents came. So agents normally perform the work. Like suppose I will give an example, right? Agents is some, it's not work exactly like human, but yeah, some repetitive tasks like screening the CV or doing some daily tasks that AI agents can do. You train them, you ask them to do the job, and it will do the job for you. So it's the jobs markets and everything is getting impacted because of this AI, GenAI, and AI agents and agentic AI, all those things. So in SAP world, this AI, GenAI, and everything is like it's moving into automated business process, workflow orchestration, and intelligence ticket handling. These kind of tools that are getting used in SAP to handle like repetitive tasks and all those things. So there are impact of AI in SAP ERP, like we can use it to increase the efficiency, and in the automation we can use in faster decision making. The repetitive task can be handled via AI and enhance user experience using the Fury and AI. So the future in SAP ERP is mostly goes into the autonomous of ERP system, AI driven enterprise automation. So all these technical terms, right? I'm talking in some technical terms where the people relate, who are working in SAP world, they relate that what are the impacts of AI. Now, since my channel is mostly focused on interview preparation and upskilling and all those things, so let me talk in such a way that people are getting scared in current market that AI will like take their job, and people even it is taking their some of the jobs, but it's not like you will get too much of scared like, yeah, what will I do after 2 years, what will happen if I lose my job. But at the end, if you see the current trends, right, in production, like not a single company, I mean, I will not give the exact data, but most of the company are very scared to give their production data to AI. It's even though there are different regulations and data driven techniques and everything is there, but still like very less companies are utilizing, at least in the production. So is the market, right? People are getting scared because of there are a lot of tech influencers in LinkedIn who are just for the sake of growing their channel, they are saying that ABAP is going to be end in like coming 1 or 2 years, but it's not like that. A human mind is irreplaceable. It cannot be replaced like via such kind of tool. Even earlier also, like there are automations were there. Like normally, if I give an example, like we do batch job scheduling and it automates some process and do the job, but AI is doing it at a very fast pace. That's the reason people are getting scared. But it's not like you will not be getting job, or the market is with a lot of pressures of AI handling, and because of the company has invested lot of money in data centers and this AI subscription and all, they are cutting the jobs in by releasing the resources, especially the resources who are in bench, or in some time they release normal, even in your projects, like they release, but it's not like you will not be getting your next job even if you are getting released from your current company or current project, right? You have to try, you have to be with this current technology trends, so that if someone asks, have you any idea like how AI is impacting, how you are using AI to boost your productivity in your current role. So if you follow these channels, like especially I provide lot of information about current market trends, current interview preparation things, and how you can tackle some difficult real-time scenarios, questions and all. So today I mostly discuss about this AI, GenAI and all those stuffs, but from next video I will be again posting and discussing most of the real-time scenarios, because people who are like less experienced, when they go to interview, the interviewer always have an expectation that you have to explain what you are working, right? If someone has not worked on so many of real objects, he will be stuck. If some question came and his concepts are not clear. So yeah, so let's stop here. So I will be stopping here, and I will request everyone to go and check my channel Technical Babaji Hub on YouTube, and subscribe it and share it with your friends who are looking for job change, who are looking for interview preparation. and they can check over Instagram or Facebook also. The same page you can find and you can follow, and anything like you can connect with me over WhatsApp or Discord, or there are different channel. If you connect me via the YouTube, you will get all the links where you can connect with directly to me. So thank you everyone. Like I will be stopping here, and thank you very much to be with me and to get connected. You subscribe this channel and you will be getting lot of helps, lot of technology related things, and especially the SAP ABAP related things, real time interview and all those things. So thank you very much.